Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Challenge to Build. My name is Paul Michael, and in this video I'm talking about my first month on YouTube. I hope you enjoy the video. So this is my first month in review video. I wanted to take a couple minutes and talk over a few points, maybe some tips and tricks that I've learned, maybe some information that you guys might be able to use in starting a YouTube channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Paul Michael. This is my channel, Challenge to Build. I've been going at it now for about a month. I try to post 2 videos a week on a Wednesday, Saturday schedule. I think I've posted maybe 11 or 12 videos at this point. I've been doubling down on my Saturday videos, trying to get a little bit more content out there. I can honestly tell you that it is actually a lot of work to try to put out good quality videos on a timely schedule, all while trying to maintain a full-time job, be a full-time dad, hang out with my family, spend time with my kids. In some of the videos that I've shot, you see my kids in the videos. So there's definitely a learning curve. I wouldn't necessarily say it's a steep learning curve, but a learning curve nonetheless. First order of business is to say thank you to my subscribers that have already subscribed to the channel. So to the 21 subscribers out there, if you guys watch this, thank you for subscribing to the channel. I wanted to take a minute and let you know that I appreciate each and every one of you guys that have subscribed to the channel. You guys are my base foundation. So in starting a YouTube channel, I spent a lot of time in the previous months watching a whole bunch of content on how to do YouTube and how to create videos and how to rank videos and how to not have random acts of content and all of the how-tos when it comes to YouTube. Well, one of the things that was said time and time again was you just have to start. And that is so true. For those of you who are watching this video thinking to yourself, I want to start a YouTube channel, but I'm not ready, or I want to start a YouTube channel and I'm not comfortable in front of the camera, you are looking at somebody that fit those categories. I had been thinking about doing a YouTube channel for quite some time, and for those of you who do know me, I am not the public speaker. I do not stand up in front of people and talk. I do not feel comfortable talking in large crowds. So for me to be on this side of the camera is completely out of my norm, and still is and was a very uncomfortable situation. But it is so true. If you want to start a YouTube channel, just do it. Just hit the record button and start getting yourself comfortable being in front of the camera. And honestly, if you look through the lens, look right at the lens, the people on the other side of the lens, you guys watching now, you know, I look at it as you guys being my friends, you guys being interested in what I'm doing, so it kind of helps in talking to you guys about the things that I'm doing or working on in my garage. A lot of the videos that you've seen are in my garage. My garage is my studio. There's definitely a learning curve when it comes to filming in your location or what you want to do. A lot of the how-to videos I've seen show just what it is now. Sitting in front of a camera, talking head kind of filming. What was a difficult transition for me was, you know, this isn't what I normally do. I'm in the garage working on the truck, working cutting steel, welding. So in order for me to learn how to film it in the best possible way and make it interesting, it was definitely something that I had to learn. Another key thing to do is keep it simple at first. Don't get all these visions in your head where you need the best camera, you need the best lighting, you need the best microphone, the best backdrop and all this stuff. Just shoot with what you have. I am shooting all my video on a Samsung S8. I have attached to it the Auki wide angle lens. I use a basic tripod and I have a Comica shotgun mic that I use to shoot all of my videos with. I'll leave a link in the description below, and you can check that stuff out on Amazon. If you guys are looking for people to watch on how to create better YouTube channels or better YouTube content, some of the people that I've watched, and I have no affiliation with, but it's just me putting out there that, you know, the people like Sean Cannell over on the Think Media channel, Sonny Leonarduzzi, Daryl Eves, the Niman brothers, Nick and Dee, Peter McKinnon, Brian G. Johnson, Jevin Dovey. These are all of the people that I spent time watching to learn how to create better videos. One thing I can say in regards to that is a lot of those guys and gals spend a lot of time sitting in front of the camera talking to us how to do it, and that's why I go back to the point of just pressing record and just doing it. Depending on what kind of videos you want to create is going to depend on how their information translates over to you on creating the video. For me, it's been a challenge to shoot the videos, capture all the information that I need, because I do this by myself with just my S8. So to keep it interesting, it has been a little bit of a challenge. If you guys are watching this and you know people that are filming and doing a YouTube channel, make sure you take the time to encourage them and let them know that you're watching their videos and give them some feedback. I can't tell you how important it is for me to hear feedback, even just a month in, talking to a couple different people, friends and family included. Once people find out that you're on YouTube, they watch some of your stuff, it's very important to get feedback from them, whether it's positive or negative. It lets me know how I'm doing, and gives me a little bit of kind of pep in my step to continue shooting and working and striving for better videos, more content, and ultimately accomplishing what it is I'm setting out to do with this YouTube channel. So a few of the questions that I get asked are, what kind of equipment do I use? Like I said before earlier in the video, I primarily use my S8. An S8 with a Comica shotgun mic and an Auki wide-angle lens with a basic tripod. I also have a taller camera tripod that I made work for shooting my videos. And as far as my equipment, that's it. That's all I use. Another question I get all the time is how or what software do I use to edit my videos? And again, I use my phone, my S8. I spent, I think, $35 on Power Director, which is an app for the Android devices. I think it's on iPhones as well. Not too sure about that, but I film and edit all of my videos on my phone. I don't have any fancy editing software on my computer, and it works. It actually helps me in keeping my schedule, because I have to maintain storage on my phone, and it keeps all of my information right in one central location. So before I go to shoot my next video, I have to make sure that my last video is edited and uploaded, so that way I can remove all of the old footage from my phone so I can shoot the new footage. So it keeps me current, keeps me on schedule. It makes me have to do it a certain way, so I've gotten into a rhythm and a system where I actually really like to do it that way. However, I do have some really big thumbs, and pushing some of the buttons, I kind of mess up there every once in a while. It would be nice to have it on a computer and use a mouse and bigger screen and all that stuff. And in time, that'll eventually happen. But right now, for the $35 that I spent for the app, it's been working great, and the video quality is good, and I'm really happy with the system that I use. So that's it. Another question that I've gotten, which actually it came from my dad, and I thought it was kind of funny at first, but after I started really thinking about it, it actually was a really good question, and I haven't heard anybody really pinpoint to it, but he had asked me, does it cost any money to subscribe to the channel? And the answer is no. I don't have a channel where you join to pay that monthly fee. There are some channels out there that have memberships that you pay a monthly fee to have special features or special access to certain things that they do inside their channel, that gives you inside information. But for, I would probably say 70 to 80% of the YouTube channels out there, there is no subscription fee. The benefit to just clicking the subscribe button is so that way you, as the viewer, if it's something that, if it's a content creator that you enjoy seeing, or the content that the person puts out is the stuff that you enjoy seeing, the subscribe button is essentially just a way for you to keep track and to get notified when the videos get uploaded or the content creator posts a new video. And that's really essentially all it is. So no, it does not cost any money to subscribe to the channel. If you are looking for a tip on how to shoot and how to film, my best advice is I'll hit the record button on the phone and I'll just let it run continuously for whatever segment I'm trying to shoot. This way here, there's one file format that I have to edit down. And when you're filming and talking to your viewers of what it is that you're trying to do, I would encourage you not to you know, don't strive for perfection, because in the editing software, think of it as like an eraser. If there's something that you messed up on, or you didn't like certain aspects of it, you can go right in there and edit out your mistakes, and no one's the wiser. So don't strive for perfection. Just let that camera keep rolling. If you mess up, pause a couple minutes, not a couple minutes, but pause a couple seconds, collect your thoughts, and then continue talking about whatever it is that you were talking about. So this way here, you're not constantly stopping and starting the camera and then losing the momentum that you have in the filming process. So that is essentially my month in review video. Hopefully you guys got some good insight how to create your own YouTube channel. Like I said earlier on, just press the record button. You have to start. You know, don't make excuses on why you aren't doing it. Originally, I wasn't a huge supporter of the whole social media platform. I know, don't get too scared. But it actually has been quite an interesting journey. I have found it to be a lot of fun to support the social media platform, to be a part of a community where it's essentially a self-supporting platform. A lot of the channels out there are supported by the viewers like you, with the watching of the ads, the buying of the merch, the Patreon platforms, the affiliate marketing platforms, all of these different platforms that they allow you to use internally within the social media spectrum, allows the content creators like me, like you, and many others to support the things that they love to do. And for that, I have definitely supported the platform, and I'm trying to do so more as I continue with the creating of my content. So before I continue rambling on, I again want to say thank you to all my subscribers that I have. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. For those of you who aren't subscribed to the channel and you want to continue to see the growth of this channel and the things that I work on, go ahead and click the link below, click that subscribe button. Welcome to the family. So with that, I want you guys to get out there, press the record button. Thank you for watching. This is Challenge to Build. Go challenge the building of your YouTube channel and your projects, and I will see you in an upcoming video.